Hello everyone, welcome to my channel segment, YouTube questions and topics. The informations of this video are from Google search and Digital Marketing Institute. Our topic for today is 10 effective ways you can grow your YouTube channel. Number 1, make your video around a single keyword topic. Number 2, reformat existing quality content. Number 3, engage with your audience. Number 4, make your channel visually appealing. Number 5, promote your YouTube videos on other social channels. Number 6, show your face to your audience. Number 7, make your thumbnail attractive. Number 8, leverage your YouTube card. Number 9, push for subscription. And number 10, increase your uploading frequency. I hope these tips can help us to grow our channel. This is where I got the reference of this video from Google search and Digital Marketing Institute. A million thanks to all my channel members. They are Katoto Kamotor Lag, Ganya Official, Roots Joel, Anji TV, Mirasol Idlon TV, and Bird Lambujo. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell of notification. See you next video. Bye.